The Crown Publishing Group is a subsidiary of Random House that publishes across several categories including fiction, non-fiction, biography, autobiography and memoir, cooking, health, business, and lifestyle. Its imprints include Crown, Crown Archetype, Crown Business, Crown Forum, Hogarth, Three Rivers Press, Clarkson Potter, Potter Craft, Potter Style, Broadway Books, Broadway Paperbacks, Image, WaterBrook, Multnomah, Harmony Books, Rodale Books, Watson-Guptill, Amphoto Books, and 10 Speed Press. Formerly, the company also used the Bell Tower Press, Orion Books, and related imprints. However, these have now either been discontinued or transferred to other Random House units. Crown authors include Jean Auel, Max Brooks, George W. Bush, Deepak Chopra, Ann Coulter, Giada De Laurentiis, Gillian Flynn, Jim Gaffigan, Ina Garten, Mindy Kaling, Rachel Maddow, Jillian Michaels, Barack Obama, Michelle Obama, Theresa Rebeck, Mark Brennan Rosenberg, Judith Rossner, Rebecca Skloot, Suzanne Somers, Martha Stewart and many others.